the best part of your vacation. Anne, what were your questions?
Rudder, how many beers have you had today?
That'd be 4.
Okay.
He's had 4 beers, and he had cat food for breakfast, and dinner some last night because he got into the bowls when I wasn't looking.
And how many Coronas did he have last night?
He had a couple. Well, I think he had a couple 007s Dave made him. And Rudder is just loving his float.
Did you get a sunburn yesterday, Rudder?
He was just asking for some more sunblock, and the 30 that you have, he needs it on his little nose. Rudder, could you spin about and be part of the camera action?
There you go.
There you go.
Perfect.
Now stay. Perfect. Don't move because you're going to tip over. Oh, the vacation's over.
Oh, there it goes.
That's great.
That is great.
He's leaving the group. He's leaving the group.
He said, I've had enough.
That was good. That's going to be a good video. And he didn't move through the whole video.
I'm done. It's like, I'm done.
Oh, God.